Hello again and welcome to my channel here, Discourse of a Divine Diva. I am Haley and today I'm going to unbox April's Weebox. And I know it's so late, but usually the Weeboxes come around the 27th of each month, and the April one didn't show up till the first week of May. So it already threw me off. And May is my birthday month. My birthday was the 12th, and so I had a trip to the beach planned, and there was dinner out with my mother-in-law. We hadn't been to a restaurant in like a year and however long. So there was all this stuff going on, and I didn't have time to sit down and unbox the Weebox for you until now. So I'm sorry that it's late. It's not totally my fault, but we're going to get into it, and I'm really excited about it. So let's take a look in April's Weebox. The theme for April is Scottish traditions. As you can see, the unicorn here, that is the national animal of Scotland and is found in a lot of different symbolism and stuff for the country. So we're going to talk about the traditions. All right, speaking of unicorns, there's this cute little plaque with a unicorn, a tartan unicorn, and little thistles. So I love these little plaques. I need to find some other stuff to like make out of them, like hang little things or little hooks off of them, because I do have quite a few hanging around the house. I love this one. You can find unicorns, because it is the animal of Scotland, on like gate posts and plaques and statues and just all kinds of things. And I quite love that because I do love unicorns. I have since I was a little kid. So unicorn in Scots Gaelic is really difficult for me to say. It's in something like that. I butchered it, I know. It's really difficult for me to get the sounds and do it correctly. And it's spelled insane. But I listened to how it was pronounced and I practiced it and I still butchered it. So I'm sorry to all of the Gaelic speakers in the world. But cute plaque. I guess we'll move on to the next thing. All right, next up we have this little travel bag. It has its own little container with a little keychain ring, and it features an adorable little baby Highland coo. And he's so cute. So this is a shopping bag, and I believe according to the, oh my god, he's so cute. So it is a nice little tote bag with this adorable baby cow. And oh my god, like you can't even stand it, right? So I guess getting your messages is doing your shopping and groceries. And these bags are always helpful. I do have quite a few. Well, I think I have maybe 3 other ones from Weeboxes, and they're all different. So that's super helpful. And on our trip back from the beach, we actually drove by quite a few Highland coos. I was like, oh my gosh. It was actually more Highland coos than I saw while I was in Scotland. Which I thought was pretty funny. And there were a few babies, and they were so adorable. So there you go, a nice tote bag. I mean, it's pretty roomy, and I think it'll be great. And it seems kind of like windbreaker material. It rains a lot here, so as it does in Scotland. So I think that'll be really good for like going to the farmer's market and stuff. All right, next we have a candle from Shearer Candles, which I absolutely love Shearer candles. And if you watched any of my previous videos with any kind of candle or the oil diffusers, oh my gosh, I love them. This is the unicorn of Scotland, and the unicorn represents purity and power. National Unicorn Day is April the 9th. And in Celtic mythology, the unicorn is a symbol of innocence, purity, healing powers, joy, and even life itself. So a fantastic animal to be your representation. I actually, both of my birthday cards from my friends and then from my husband said that I'm a unicorn, and I loved it so much because they didn't know they were on the same page. And it made me feel really good, because I feel like unicorns are so special. And I don't know if you grew up with the movie Legend with Tom Cruise, but I loved it even as a kid. Even though it frightened me, the idea of being able to see a unicorn, I mean, I knew it couldn't happen, but it was just so magical and amazing. And so the fact that I am someone's unicorn and that people think I'm a unicorn is really cool. So anyway, let me smell the candle. It has like a very floral kind of powdery scent. It reminds me of a lotion I have, and I don't know the name of it, and it's quite strong, but I'm going to put it with my candles because I love candles, and I light it and think of Scotland. All right, next up we have a scarf, and it's this beautiful like lavender purple color, and there are thistles with a darker purple and green, and there's chains like the ones on the symbol of the unicorn that represent the power of the unicorn and therefore the country, and this sort of hold, I guess, that the Scottish kings had on the unicorn. So it's this really nice long scarf. It's very lightweight. It definitely is good for summer. You know, a summer scarf, which I know sounds crazy, but sometimes it's cool at night. And so to have it like a little shawl to just kind of toss it around your neck to keep you warm when it's a little chilly and breezy outside. You could also use it, you know, if there's a rain shower. I like to use my scarf to cover my head a little bit, and also you could use it as like a hair accessory. You could use it as a belt. You could wrap it, kind of tie it on your handbag like I've shown you before in some videos, to accessorize, if you will. But it's a really, really great scarf, and I don't have a lot of lightweight ones like this, and I should show you the pattern. I don't have a lot of lightweight ones like this, so I'm really excited to add this to my collection. And the scarf is actually from a company called Earth Squared, and they do a lot of different items for Weebox. A lot of the Harris tweed, like the little crossbody bag, and a lot of the other like little coin purses and things like that are from Earth Squared. And they have a lot of cute handbags and accessories and all kinds of things on their website. So if you want to go check them out, it is earthsquared.com, I believe. Yes. And no weird spellings or anything, so it's pretty basic, but I'll link it in the description just in case. All right, and last we have a book, and you know how much I love the Weebox books. This one is about Scottish customs, so there's just all kinds of things. This is really long too. It's got 150 something pages. There's some poems in the back, it looks like, and a glossary, different things about animals, wells, Clutie wells, post-nuptial customs, death customs. Let's see, what else can we find in here? Birth, marriage, death, lucky and unlucky, work, water, plants and animals, customs relating to all that stuff. So that's really interesting, and that'll be something really cool for me to kind of go through. I am of Scottish heritage, and so I've really been trying to learn more about, you know, all the kinds of sort of ancestral customs and events and history and things. So that will be really fun. And I love the Weebox books. They're just so well made and such a wonderful inclusion into the box because they're such a great quality. And so I have quite a collection of my Weebox books, and I need more time to read so I can get through them faster. But anyway, that is our April box, and it went by really fast, but there's some really lovely things, and I am looking forward to the May box because it's Outlander themed. And as I said, I'm going to dress up for the event of unboxing that particular Weebox. But I hope you enjoyed the April box, and I'm sorry it was late, and I will get to getting on the May box as well. And I'll talk to y'all later. And remember, stay sparkly, you guys. Bye.